It is very sad. Now, this depicts the inhuman conditions that the drivers are working under. It is the situation of Dani clearly demonstrates how drivers are not seen as human beings. They are not respected. They are not respected. We can talk all we want. We can talk all we want, but these people are not being taken care of. But we can talk about the advancement of development and the economy. We cannot talk about that without the drivers. The good things that the rich enjoy, they are brought in by the drivers. They are the ones who go far and bring those things. The fuel that drives the fuel that is put in the presidential motorcade, the fuel that is put in the GXs of the ministers is brought by these people. The good furniture that is in State House, the good furniture that is in the offices of ministers is brought by these Zambia is highly dependent on imports. Zambia is highly dependent on imports. But those imports, those goods cannot come in without the drivers. So this is why I have particular attention to the drivers. They play an important role in the economic sector. They are very important. Why are we neglecting them? The laws are there. The laws are there. The SI is there. They are supposed to be paid according to the SI, according to the